Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in today's video, I'm finna mod my Xbox. Alright, so I always wanted to mod an Xbox like my entire life, and now I got the funds to do it, and it makes the most sense right now. So I'm gonna do it. To do this, I'm gonna use this is, let me get it out the damn bag. You got a Cool Runner right here. So I'm going to use the RGH this Xbox, and we got the JR programmer right here. This is what you use to program the NAND and Cool Runner. So we're gonna get them in here, but first I gotta take this apart. So I'm gonna take this apart real quick, and we're gonna go from there. Before I take it apart, I'm gonna explain this a little bit. I'm not no expert at this. This is my first Xbox that I've ever modded, period. So it's called an RGH 1.2, and what you're doing is basically glitching the CPU to run unsigned code. We're going to be using this to program the Cool Runner in a NAND, and then we're going to be using this to glitch the CPU. So it's going to be sending power to make the Xbox reset at a certain time to run the shit that you're not supposed to run on this Xbox, because Microsoft don't want you to run the shit, but with this you can. So we finna do that. So let me get this taken apart. I also forgot the wires too. Here go the wires that came with it. So this came with the Cool Runner right here. So these got to be installed on the motherboard, and these came with the JR programmer. It didn't come with a USB cable. That's fine, I got a whole bunch. So I'm gonna stop talking, I'm gonna get this apart. Alright, so I got the whole 360 stripped down to the board. Now it's a couple points, it's actually like 7, I think. One, like 5 here and 2 here. Here's the NAND right here. I need to get that JL programmer soldered on, so that's gonna be the next step. I'm not gonna record me soldering because these points little as hell, so it won't be really no point to record it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that soldered on, and I'll be back. Before I solder those on, I want to show y'all all the pieces. Got the hard drive, fan shroud, fan. This is the top grade. This is the bottom one. Front cover, metal shield. This is the top half of the Xbox, bottom half. DVD drive, the front power button, light, all that shit, and the diffuser right there. So that's all the pieces to the Xbox. In case y'all never seen, there it is. Ain't that right? Okay, so we in my studio. I got it soldered up. I was getting ahead of myself. It took me a while, but it's soldered up. Hopefully good. It's connected to my computer right now. And I got it reading the NAND. So here it is. I'm doing 2 reads. As long as these are good, then we can go ahead and install the Cool Runner. It gave me a lot of problems, I ain't gonna lie. But it's a lot of good information online to troubleshoot any problems. Like for instance, I was trying to install the drivers, and it kept saying the hash file was not found or some stupid shit. All I had to do was disable the driver. I forgot what it was called. Here it is, actually right here. I still got it up. So you have to disable device driver signing. As soon as I did that, it installed perfect. So I'm just hoping that we get 2 good reads so I can move on. But I'll let y'all know. Okay, updating you guys. So I did 2 NAND reads, and I got no bad blocks. I already created an ECC, and now I'm finna go ahead and write it. So let's go ahead, see what happened. So it's currently writing this to the NAND. This is Zell loaded, whatever the software is to get the CPU key. This is what it is. So let's go ahead, keep going. Boom, done. So now we gotta install the glitch chip so we can go ahead and boot this Xbox up and get that glorious CPU key. So I'll be back once I get that on. Okay, there's one more thing I have to do before I install the Cool Runner into the Xbox. I gotta install the timing files. This is right here. So I'm gonna go to Advanced, Custom NAND, CR Functions, XSRF, right there. I don't know how good you can see that. And I'm gonna select the timing file. And I have them right here. Matrix. They say use Matrix if you have Cool Runner, right there. And I'm gonna go with 18 because I've seen a lot of people use 18, either 18 or 20 with quick boots. So I'm gonna just try 18, and I should be able to just hit run. It says detected. It's installing. And the lights work. The cool one is right here. It was a green light that was just on. And then I had to also change the switch right here to I had to flick it to the left. It was on JPBL. I had to flick it to the left, and success. So this Cool Runner should be ready to bug this Xbox out, I guess. I'll be back. All right, sorry for the heavy breathing and shaking, but I got the Cool Runner hooked up. I'm trying to hurry up before it overheats because I don't got the shroud on. First try, boot it into Zelle. They got a key right there and a DVD key, but we don't need that. So I took a picture of the key already. So I got the key, so I go ahead and shut it down. I couldn't use the Ethernet because I'm using my computer monitor, so I wouldn't be able to. I ain't gotta explain that shit. Anyway, I'm finna type this in into JRunner and go ahead and flash the new. I'm so goddamn excited. I'm nervous. I'm everything, but I'm finna go ahead and flash the fucking hacked Xbox OS on here, and it should be good. First try. This is first try. Wow. All right, sorry for the last clip. I was a little excited. But I got it connected up, everything ready to go. I already created an XE build, so I'm finna write NAND. This is gonna write the hacked Xbox firmware to the NAND. So here we go. I got glitch 2 selected, CR4-17511. I'm gonna update it once I'm done. Let's do it. This is it. So it should take a minute, and I'll be back when it's done. So I suck with the cameras, getting the initial thing I do, but this is first boot to the dash. As you can see, it's perfect. You would never even know that it's modified, but one way to tell you got an RGH console is if I turn this off. If I hit the power button, if I find it, go ahead and let that turn off. Let the fans go off. And it boot pretty quick too. It's probably like 10 seconds. Yeah, you always want to just make sure the console is shut all the way down before you try to fuck with it again. So the fans are off. Now if I hit the eject button, it should boot to Zelle, and that's how you would tell that you have a modified console. Real quick boot, real quick. And what do we got? Zelle. So I mean, shit. That's it. It's done. I gotta put it back into the case. Make sure I gotta clean up the wires and all that shit, because some of them are too long. I'm gonna clean that up, but I'm gonna put it back in the case. I got a copy of XE menu on this hard drive. I guess I'll show y'all me installing that. But it's done. Like, it's hacked. It's reading everything. Like I said, I got a CPU key, DVD key, and if I turn it off, I'll give y'all one more boot. Turn it off. So if you power it up using the eject, it boosts to 0. But if you power it up using the regular button, wait till it's off. With the regular button, real quick boot. I mean, that's quick, especially for first try. I've never done this to any Xbox ever. I think it's getting kind of hot. The fan's kicked up. I'm gonna go ahead and probably put it back in its case. I'm gonna put it back in its case and go ahead and install exit menu because the fan's kicking up. It's getting a little hot, so I'll be back. Okay, so I lied. I didn't put it back together. I put XCX menu on the flash drive. And here's it booted up. So this is what's going to allow you to install like games, themes, emulators, all the good stuff. So now I'm about to put it back together. I gotta shorten these wires off the cool runner, and this should be a wrap. All right, be back.
I moved here a few months ago.
This is the clean up.
Me too.
Cool runner right there.
Where? What are your goals? Any fetishes
Nice
I
and
should know
clean.
about? But you can't get away from yourself. Moving
Take this
from one
off.
place to another.
Yes.
That's...
Covered your nuts.
And there's the real reason she's here. Little opportunist.
What are you, 12?
I'm almost 16, and I can guarantee.
Okay, so I don't remember where I left off, but I got Aurora running on my Xbox now. So this is pretty cool. So all the games I put on here would just load up right here. You got all type of stuff you can do. You got a file manager. I mean, it's pretty much fully unlocked with this. I also did update it to 17.559. I think it's 17.559. Whichever dash is the latest one is the one I just uploaded to. And I'm sorry for not recording it, but when I start doing something, I just like to do it. So I got it done, and I mean, it's running fine now. So I mean, next thing I got to do is just start to get some games on here. I got to get this dash set up. I got to get, because I'm running everything off this flash drive right here. I bought a hard drive for it. Let me run to my computer room. I bought an external hard drive for it off Amazon, which is right here. And I'm putting some games on here now. So I'm gonna move the dash, Aurora, and I also have I also downloaded Dash Launcher, which is apparently what you need to make a lot of modifications to how the Xbox work. Let me see. I'm still figuring out how to use this shit, so sorry, but if y'all really if y'all like this, like what I'm doing, just let me know in the comments and I'll make an updated video going more in depth, because I know I haven't been like recording everything I've been doing, or I've just been doing stuff behind the scenes. So if y'all really enjoy this, please let me know, and I will definitely make an update. Y'all see my Connect up here. Since I updated to the latest dash, I got avatars in Connect working now, so that's cool. But I'm finna launch Dash Launcher right now. So with this, you can do a lot of stuff. I don't want to mess with a lot of stuff right now because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So I'm gonna do more research. I'm gonna let those games download because I need the hard drive so I can stop using this damn flash drive and I can move everything to the hard drive. But I don't even remember the last clip I recorded. I don't know if that was the outro or not. I really don't remember. I literally recorded that like a week ago, and then I went to work and I'm off now, so I'm messing with the Xbox again. But if that's not the intro, then this is definitely the intro. I'm gonna leave it right here. I mean, I have a fully RGH 1.2 Xbox updated to the latest dash with Dash Launcher, Aurora. I'm sorry, that fucking word. I struggle to say it, but you know that dash. It's on here. It's running good. I ordered this $20 wireless controller off Amazon. You gotta use this damn dongle. I didn't know that, but it's fine. It's not like I'm finna be hardcore and sweating Modern Warfare or something. I literally mainly did this for the Connect because it's pretty fun. You know, if I got people over here, I got all this space now. It's pretty fun playing dance games, sports games, whatever. So this is mainly what this is for, and I'm gonna leave it here. So y'all enjoyed this? Y'all want to learn any more? Y'all want me to go more in depth with what I was doing or what I did? Please let me know in the comments. Y'all gotta let me know, and I will make an updated video. But until then, make sure to subscribe, like, ring the bell, do everything y'all need to do to get me up there, because I'm trying to get up there. And y'all need to help me, please. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in the next one.